Recording in progress.
Good morning. Let us start exam decoder of engineering mathematics 2 module number. We are discussing the module number 4. In that module number 4, we had completed this one type of this questions discussion, and that question discussion is evaluate the integration. In module number 4, the first category is that evaluate the integration that have 33% weightage. Means out of the 12 questions, 4 question is based on that evaluation. And after that, this next 4 question that is based on the sketch the region of integration, sketch the region of integrations and evaluate it. Let us start to discuss the next question, that the sketch the region of integration and evaluate. That questions of the weightage is 5 marks. This is a question, and that questions of the weightage is 5 marks. This is first questions that are available in this PDF. Sketch the region of integration and evaluate. What is the integrations are the given? Double integrations over the region R, x square plus y square, bracket close, multiply x dy by dx, and where R is bounded by y is equal to 0. This is means the lower limit of y to y is equal to x. This is upper limit for y. Okay. And x is equal to 0. This is the lower limit of x, and x is equal to 1. This is upper limit of x. Okay. We want to solve this equation. It is so easy questions if you are starting to solve this question. That is so easy means let us start to solving this question. Write down this equation is I is let is I is equal to whatever may be the given, the integrations are given, we are writing the as it is for that integration. I is equal to double integration over the region R, x square plus y square bracket close, x dy by dx we are writing as it is. Okay, now first of all this case the region. Write the x-axis, this is the x-axis, y-axis are available for this. Now we want to draw, this is limit, means what we want to draw, this case the region. What is the region? The y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is the lower limit of y. Y is equal to 0, it is the lower limit of y. Y is equal to 0, that is nothing but equal to x-axis. Y is equal to 0, that is nothing but equal to x-axis. This is x-axis. Y is equal to 0, 0 is equal to x-axis. This is the first line. Okay, line number first we are drawing here. This is line number first. Okay, next, this is line number first. Next, I want to draw the upper limit. This is a low, means y is equal to 0. This is lower limit. Y is equal to 0 is this is nothing but equal to x-axis. Now y is equal to x. Y is equal to x. This is a line passing through the origin, the making angle as the 45 degree with x, positive direction of the x-axis. Straight line जो pass होती है, that is line equal to x is equal to y. This is a line, means L to 2. This is line number 2. Okay. This is line number 2. Means this is the one line number 1. This is upper limit. This is lower limit for y. Line number 2. This is upper limit for y. Now go to x. अब x की तरफ चलो. Now what is the limit for x? X starting lower limit of x is equal to 0 and upper limit for x is equal to 1. Lower limit for x is equal to 0 and upper limit for x is equal to 1. Therefore, the x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. That is nothing but equal to x is equal to 0, that is nothing but equal to y-axis. X is equal to 0, that is nothing but equal to y-axis, and that is y-axis that is available for here. That is nothing but equal to, this is y-axis, x is equal to 0. This is lower limit for x. Now, upper limit for x is equal to 1. Draw the line passing through, draw the line which are parallel to the y-axis, and passing through x is equal to 1. Passing through the x is equal to 1. This is the line. Okay, means this line number 4, that line number 4 is the upper limit for x, upper limit of 4x. Now, whatever may be the regions, we are drawing that regions that available, we get completed this sketch. Means which region you want to integrate. That regions which are bounded by this is 4 line. Means line number 1, line number 2, line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4. That 4 line, that region get bounded. What is the, this is the shaded region which are available in this diagram. That shaded region is bounded by these 4 different lines. Okay, and we want to sketch that. Means we get completed the sketch, we want to evaluate. Now we want to evaluate that regions. Okay, we want to evaluate that regions. Let us start to evaluate. Let us start to evaluate. Now we want to find the integration limit. We want to find the limit for these regions which are available for it. Draw the strip parallel to the y-axis. You are free to draw the strip, means draw the strip parallel to the x-axis or parallel to the y-axis. Now we are drawing to strip parallel to the y-axis. जिस एक्सिस को स्ट्रिप पैरेलल है उसी एक्सिस का लिमिट फर्स्ट निकलता है. If you are drawing the strip parallel to the y-axis, the first limit we are finding, that limit is the limit of y. Okay, now we are drawing the strip is parallel to the x-axis. First limit you are finding, that limit is the x-axis limit. Now in these equations we are drawing the strip, that strip is parallel to the y-axis. Therefore the first of all we get the limit of y. We get the limit of y. Means first of all we are drawing the strip in this region, over this region R. The first that strip get touch. ये strip first time touch किधर होती है? This point. The red point to touch किया है. This point पे first time that strip get. If you are want to draw the strip, we are drawing that strip, and first time that strip get touch to the x is equal to 0 axis. Means that touch get x is equal to x axis को touch होता है. That get touch to x axis. This line. Okay. Now what is the value for this x is equal to 0? Means what is this line value for y? X axis पे y का, means you are drawing that strip parallel to the y axis. इसलिए y axis का लिमिट निकलता है. y axis का लिमिट निकलता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो स्ट्रिप टच होती है x एक्सिस को. x एक्सिस को टच होती है तो x एक्सिस को, x एक्सिस पे लिमिट क्या होता है? y की वैल्यू क्या होती है x एक्सिस पे? x एक्सिस पे y की वैल्यू होती है 0. देयरफॉर द lower limit for y is equal to 0. Now we get move the strip into upward directions. You can move the strip into upward direction. Then what will happen? The strip in upper direction, the strip get connected, get cut, means touch. This second point, upper limit. Upper limit. Where is upper limit? That strip get touch to y is equal to x. Y is equal to x, is it is upper limit. But we are drawing that strip, which strip is parallel to the y-axis, means this is upper limit for y. What is the value for this? ये line जो that line है, इस line में जो touch होता है जो upper limit पे, y is equal to x axis पे, y is equal to x line पे जो touch होता है upper limit, उस अपर लिमिट में y की वैल्यू क्या है? y is equal to x. Therefore this is upper limit for y. ओके, y को पैरेलल स्ट्रिप मैंने ड्रॉ किया तो मुझे y की लिमिट मिल गई. y की लोअर लिमिट 0, y की अपर लिमिट x. नाउ द स्ट्रिप vertically move हो गया. That strip get vertically move. That strip get moved toward the parallel to the y axis. Therefore we are able to find y limit. Now we are moving. Now we are moving that strip into. Now we are moving that strip into parallel to the x-axis. If you are moving that strip parallel to the x-axis, we find the x limit. Now, if you are moving that strip toward the left-hand sides, means toward the origin. If you are moving that strip toward origins, means we are moving that strip over the x-axis, means we are finding the limit of x. if whatever limit this, if strip is moves toward the left side, that goes maximum left side, that is toward the origin, वो origin तक जा सकता है. That strip get toward the origin, वो origin तक जा सकता है. And what is the value for x at the origin? That is the value is equal to 0. Therefore the lower limit for x is equal to 0. Okay, if we are moving that strip toward the right hand side for the finding the upper limit for x, if you are moving that strip toward the right hand side for finding the value upper limit for x, so what is the maximum point that strip get move? स्ट्रिप मैक्सिमम किस पॉइंट तक मूव हो सकती है? तो वो स्ट्रिप मूव हो सकती है इस लाइन तक, x इज इक्वल टू 1 लाइन तक मूव सकती है. That is a line passing through parallel to the y-axis and passing through the x is equal to 1. इस लाइन को मैक्सिमम टच कर सकता है x-axis पे. Then what is the limit for that point? That is x is equal to 1. This is upper limit for x. Upper limit for x. Okay. This upper limit for x, lower limit for x हमको मिल गया. Now find the value for this integration. We are able to find the limit for upper limit for x, lower limit for x, upper limit for y, lower limit for y. If you draw this strip parallel to the y-axis, तो y-axis की लिमिट निकलती है. After that, we are moving that strip toward the x-axis. Left hand side move किया तो lower limit मिलती है, right hand side move किया तो upper limit मिलती है. Okay. Okay, there is no compulsion, so we can draw the strip parallel to the x-axis also. You are free to draw anywhere. Okay, now we are finding the value for this integration. Now let us start. Means I is equal to, what is I is equal to? The limit. The reason for that limit is 0 to 1, 0 to x. X cube plus y square into x, bracket close, dy by dx. Okay, now first get integration with respect to y के साथ integration करो, with respect to y के साथ integration करो. If you are integrating with respect to y, the treating as x is a constant, x is a treating as a x cube is a constant as it is integration of dy. What is the integration? Means integration of 1 with respect to dy, that is equal to y as it is, plus the treating as x is a constant and integration of y with respect to y, therefore y square integration is y cube divided by 3 and limit 0 to x as it is dx. Okay, now put the upper limit minus lower limit, means upper limit हमने y के साथ इंटीग्रेशन किया है तो y के जगह पर हम upper limit और lower limit put करेंगे. Okay, therefore y get replaced by x in upper limit, therefore that first term become equal to x cube into x, that is equal to x raised to power 4 plus x cube means sorry, y get replaced by x, that will give the x cube multiply x, that is equal to x raised to power 4 divided by 3. And if you are putting the lower limit, means y get replaced by 0, the first term become equal to 0 and second term also become equal to 0, means lower limit completely become equal to 0, that is 0. Upper limit minus lower limit, we get completed, that is answer is equal to x raised to power 4 plus x raised to power 4 divided by 3. Add these two terms. If you are adding these two terms, that will become equal to 3 1s are 3. This means the 3 x raised to power 4 plus 1 4s are 1 x raised to power 4 is equal to x. Means add these two terms somewhere like as adding the rational numbers. A plus b plus c plus d, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, same types you get add this. And that what is addition for that? That addition is equal to 4 into x raised to power 4 divided by 3 dx. And what is the limit? 0 to 1. This is a limit. Now we want to integrate, take the 4 by 3 is a constant, 4 by 3 is a constant, take the outside for this integrations, and the integration of x raised to power 4. What is the remain inside that integration? Inside that integration is remain x raised to power 4, the integration of x raised to power 4, that is equal to x raised to power 5 divided by 5 and limit 0 to 1, 0 to 1, limit 0 to 1, 0 to 1. 4 by 3 means put the upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 0, and value for, if you are putting the lower limit in this equation, that get lower limit equal to 0, the put the upper limit x get replaced by 1, that is 1 by 5 minus lower limit is equal to 0, 1 by 5 minus 0 is equal to 1 by 5, means 4 by 3 into 1 by 5, this is a value for integration. This is the multiplication of two rational number. The multiplication of two rational number get numerator get multiplied to numerator and denominator get multiplied to denominator. Okay. The multiply करके find करो 1 4 जा 1 3 multiply 5 is equal to 15 and answer is equal to I is equal to 4 by 15. This is the answer for integration. This is a 5 marks question. It is very simple. This is a 5 marks question. That is a very simple question. Whatever may be the limit that are given, अगर if you are unable to find the limit, if you are unable to find the limit, अगर आप लिमिट फाइंड कर नहीं सके तो जो लिमिट दिया वाला होता है वही लिमिट हमको मिलता है इंटीग्रेशन में. आप ओनली ड्रॉ द स्केच, आप खाली स्केच ड्रॉ करो और लिमिट स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ करो, पैरेलल एक्स एक्सिस को करो, वाई एक्सिस को करो, यू आर फ्री टू ड्रॉ दिस. बट यू आर अनेबल टू फाइंड द लिमिट. अनेबल लिमिट फाइंड होगा तो जो लिमिट दिया है वही लिमिट आप लिख सकते हैं, वही लिमिट आप लिख सकते हैं. वो देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, वही लिमिट हमको मिला है, वही लिमिट. इधर देखो क्या दिया, y इजिकल टू जीरो, हम y इजिकल टू जीरो ही लोअर लिमिट मिला है. अपर लिमिट y इजिकल टू एक्स, हमको y इजिकल टू एक्स अपर लिमिट ही मिला है. x इजिकल टू जीरो हमको लोअर लिमिट ही मिला है, x इजिकल टू वन ही अपर लिमिट मिला है. जो लिमिट दिया है वही लिमिट हमको मिलता है स्केच करने के बाद भी. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. Let us start to discuss the second question. Sketch the region of integration. Sketch the region of integrations and evaluate. अब हमें पता चला कि region of integration evaluation करके कैसे find करते हैं, तो हम इसे strip simple strip easy करेंगे and quickly revise करेंगे. This is a function दिया है, region of integration दिया है. First of all, I want to draw the sketch. Write down, consider करो I is equal to whatever may be the integration are given. Integration वो लिखा है, double integration sketch the region over r e to the power minus y dy by dx. as it is हमने लिखा है. हम हमें स्केच करना है रीजन. रीजन स्केच कर दो, लिमिट फाइंड करने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लिमिट एज इट इज जो दिया है, ऊपर जो लिमिट दिया है वही लिमिट हमको मिलता है इंटीग्रेशन करने के लिए. ओके, दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. खाली स्केच ड्रॉ करो और छोड़ दो और इंटीग्रेशन करना स्टार्ट कर लो. ओके ओके, नाउ स्केच करना है. व्हाट इज y इज इक्वल टू x? y इज इक्वल टू x मींस this is a line, the lower limit for y. This is a lower limit for y. This is a 1. This is a lower limit for y. This is we are drawing, this is line, this is nothing but equal to l, l1. This is line for l, l1. L1 is a line, l1 is a line, y is equal to x. This is a lower limit for y. And y is equal to infinity. Y is equal to infinity. That is a line. This is here. Here I am the line L2. L2. L2 is a line. Y is equal to infinity means this is a line parallel to the this is line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the y as a infinity. Y infinity point पे pass होता है and that the parallel है x-axis को. Okay, L1, L2. This is the two different lines here available. This is the limit for y. L1 is a lower limit for y. L2 is the upper limit for y. Now the next, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. X is equal to 0 means, sorry, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. L3. This x is equal to 0 means y-axis. जो 3 है, x is equal to 0 है, that x is equal to 0 here, available for here. Okay, sorry. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, that is nothing but equal to y-axis. Y-axis, this is a lower limit for x. Okay, y-axis, that is a lower limit for x, and x is equal to infinity. X is equal to infinity means that is a line parallel to the y-axis passing through the x is equal to infinity. X is equal to infinity, this is nothing but equal to, I am drawing here, L4. L4. L4 is a line, there is upper limit for x. Upper limit for x, this is a line parallel to the, this is the line parallel to the y-axis passing through the x is equal to infinity point पे pass होता है. ओके, दिस इज स्केच ड्रॉ किया है, और स्केच ड्रॉ करके यू आर फ्री टू फाइंड द लिमिट। लिमिट फाइंड करने के लिए आप फ्री है। एक्स एक्सिस को स्ट्रिप पैरेलल करो या वाई एक्सिस को स्ट्रिप पैरेलल करो, यू आर फ्री हियर, यू आर फ्री हियर फॉर दैट। पासिंग टू द एक्स एक्सिस को स्ट्रिप पैरेलल है या वाई एक्सिस को स्ट्रिप पैरेलल है, स्ट्रिप किधर भी पैरेलल करने के लिए यू आर फ्री, यू आर फ्री। बट हमने वो स्ट्रिप डाल दी, एक्स एक्सिस को पैरेलल है, वाई एक्सिस को पैरेलल, स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ कर दी, बट आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड द लिमिट। ये जो फर्स्ट टाइम जिधर टच होता है वो लोअर लिमिट होता है, अपर टाइम अपर अप ऊपर जिधर टच होता है दैट इज अपर लिमिट होता है। इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जब टच करेंगे दिस इज लोअर लिमिट, राइट हैंड साइड में टच करेंगे दिस इज अपर लिमिट। बट आई एम अनेबल टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द लिमिट। तो अनेबल टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द लिमिट, तो डायरेक्टली जो लिमिट ऊपर दिया है वही लिमिट क्या करो, कंसिडर करो। मिस, लेट अस ऑब्जर्व फॉर ईयर y की लिमिट फाइंड। हमने सपोज स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ कर दिया y एक्सिस को पैरेलल, स्ट्रिप ड्रॉ कर दिया y एक्सिस को पैरेलल, तो मुझे फर्स्ट स्ट्रिप पैरेलल y एक्सिस को है तो y की लिमिट मिलेंगी। तो y की लिमिट ऊपर क्या लिखा है, y इज इक्वल टू x इज लोअर लिमिट, y इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी इज अपर लिमिट, तो वही लिमिट मिलता है हमको इधर। ओके, स्ट्रिप डायग्राम से भी वही लिमिट मिलता है हमको। लेट अस ऑब्जर्व करो, y इज इक्वल टू x इज लोअर लिमिट, y इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी इट इज अपर लिमिट, जो ऊपर दिया है वही। अगर हमने स्ट्रिप पैरेलल एक्स एक्सिस को ड्रॉ कर दिया इस डायग्राम में, तो हमें लिमिट मिलेगा x इज इक्वल टू जीरो इज द लोअर लिमिट, x इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी इज अपर लिमिट। ओके, बट हम इधर ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, वी आर ड्राइंग हियर स्ट्रिप इज पैरेलल टू y axis, therefore first of all we get limit for y, and that is the limit for y is limit for y जो मिलता है, लिमिट फॉर जो y जो हमको मिल रहा है इधर। ओके, जो ऊपर जो दिया है लिमिट क्वेश्चन में वही लिमिट होता है, दिस इज लिमिट दैट इज अवेलेबल इन द क्वेश्चन, वो क्वेश्चन में अवेलेबल है। एंड व्हाट इज लिमिट अवेलेबल इन द क्वेश्चन फॉर x, दैट इज द लिमिट फॉर x इन द क्वेश्चन, x इज इक्वल टू जीरो, x इज इक्वल टू इंफिनिटी, दैट इज द लिमिट इज अवेलेबल इन द क्वेश्चन, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन अवेलेबल हियर, यही लिमिट हमने इधर ड्रॉ किया है। वही डायग्राम से भी हमें मिलता है, एंड हाउ टू फाइंड बाय यूजिंग दिस डायग्राम हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में डिस्कस किया है। ओके, दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन है, अगर हमारे पास ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन है, हमको एक्स के अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट, वाई के अपर लिमिट वाई के लोअर लिमिट अगर क्वेश्चन में ही दी होती है, तो वही लिमिट हमको आंसर निकालने में भी मिलता है, रीजन स्केच करने के बाद भी वही लिमिट हमको मिलता है, रिमेंबर फॉर दिस। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन, इंटीग्रेशन इज इंटीग्रेशन जीरो टू इंफिनिटी एक्स टू इंफिनिटी इंटीग्रेशन डी ई रेज टू पावर वाई डी वाई बाय डी एक्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंटीग्रेशन करो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y के साथ, y के साथ इंटीग्रेशन करो, ई रेज टू पावर x का इंटीग्रेशन ई रेज टू पावर x होता है, ई रेज टू पावर माइनस x का इंटीग्रेशन माइनस ई रेज टू पावर माइनस x होता है। दैट सेम टाइप ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई रेज टू पावर माइनस y विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y इज नथिंग बट माइनस ई रेज टू पावर माइनस y। What is the integration for y? X to infinity. Integration for y is equal to x to infinity. X to infinity. What is the, put the upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit? E raised minus e raised to power minus infinity minus minus plus, that will become plus, upper limit minus lower limit plus e raised to power minus x. Y get replaced by x by lower limit, that is x. What is the value for e raised to power minus infinity? That is equal to 0. E raised to power minus infinity equal to 0, and that is 0. Means what is answer, next step, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x dx, the bracket close, minus e raised to, what is the integration of e raised to power minus x with respect to x, that is minus e raised to power minus x. Put the upper limit minus lower limit. If you are putting the upper limit, that is minus e raised to power minus infinity plus e raised to power 0, x get replaced by lower limit, that is 0. E raised to power 0 is equal to 1, e raised to power minus infinity, that is equal to 0. Okay, and that is answer is equal to 1. आंसर इज इक्वल टू 1। तो इंटीग्रेशन, जो कोई इंटीग्रेशन स्केच करके रीजन स्केच करके इंटीग्रेशन निकालना है, दैट इज वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 1। दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज 5 मार्क्स, means this is a 33%, this type of questions have the 33% weightage, this type of questions have the 33% weightage. The next 33% weighted, which type of the questions have the next 33% weightage, we are discuss that next part in next question, two question, no, next 2 or 3 questions in part number 3. This is a part number 1. This is a quick revisions of engineering mathematics like exam decoder. Now you are stopping here. I hope you get understood the what things I want to explain. for you, this is a must play the very vital role for your examinations, and this is a quick revision. Okay, let us stop now. We are stopping this lectures here.